So my name is Diana Waju, and oh, my journey has been a crazy one. I started trading options. It's 2.5 years now, and behold, it's been a bad experience so far. I blew up my account more than 10 times. I'm not lying, like more than 10 times. And from one struggle to another, like one Discord to another, trying to figure out how I can go about this. And then I stumbled into this guy, Pierre, who told me about 13 market moves. And we bought it together, we're studying together. Oh my goodness. Some days we'll like anticipate the move, sometimes we get it wrong. Man, it's been a struggle, like, trying to understand this and becoming an expert. Until last, was it Tuesday? Tuesday, I had a call with Mike, and Mike introduced me to Leo, and that was how my life changed. I signed up for the one-on-one coaching with Leo, and that was before the CPI, and pretty much, let me show you guys the reality of what actually happened. So this is me, right? Let me just show you. I took screenshot. This is one of my accounts. I have two accounts, margin and cash account. This is the margin account. I had actually sent $5,000 into this account, and Leo told me to buy. It was pretty much EX and SPY, and look at what was happening. I bought it, and pretty much he told me to buy with all the money that was available. I bought it, and this thing was going down. And this was on Tuesday before the CPI result was out. No, Wednesday before the CPI result was out. And this thing when this account was down 64%, and I was freaking out. But then Leo told me to calm down. I asked him, like, I wanted to just sell and take my losses. And I was now beginning to doubt myself if I even wanted to do this. And behold, he told me to hold till the next day. And let me show you the other account. This is my cash account. The next morning, this was what I had in my cash account, $8,000. And the saga started. That 2,000, that 5,000 I had in the other account, this is the account. The cash account, it was 5,000 here. Ending of Wednesday, it was left with 2,800. And, Thursday morning, when the CPI result was out, boom, everything was just going on board. And interesting having a one-on-one coaching with Leo is the fact that he tells me what to buy and to hold, and when to sell and when to buy orders. What happened was on Thursday morning, pretty much the EX call went up in the morning. He reached out to me. We sold. We made some good money. And with that money, pretty much flipped the account and went into Snow, we went into Coin, went into Apple, we went into NASDAQ and WFC. And as you can see, everything was going so smooth. Also, Snow was giving us some sweet money. But you know what? We're losing in WFC. And, I wasn't freaking out because, I'd already learned, with you have to hold still. So he was just telling me, sell all of these contracts, buy this other one. It was a very, very fast one. And when we sold and we bought, that same Thursday when CPI was ongoing in the afternoon, my account was just going, everything was going up. I was like, oh my goodness, the two accounts, So together I'd invested, 13,000 with both accounts. And this was the result. That 13,000 with the two accounts was now 116,000. This was in the afternoon. And this, you see NAVDA here. Oh my goodness, it was a roller coaster with my emotions. NAVDA went 1,000%. And this was Thursday. And pretty much I was telling you, like, okay, NAVDA is at 1,000%. Let's go ahead and sell. He said, no, we're not going to sell today. We're going to sell tomorrow. I was like, oh my goodness, it's going to go down. And guess what? It started going down. And I was like, let's sell. He said, no, you have to listen to me if you want to follow through with this. And, I just decided, you know what, Sagat. Let me let this guy do what he knows best. And Yeah, I was so tempted many times to sell, and I would have settled for less, but I didn't know. And boom, let me show you guys what happened the next day. Oh my goodness. This was ours. These are the losses we started making, and the account dropped a little bit. Coin, we got into coin. It was making some money. Later on, it started dropping. And he kept on telling me to hold. WFC actually was the one that really, really dropped. And the rest was still green. Snow was still green. And Apple also went 300%. Snow went 700%. And I was still on there, like, let's sell NASDAQ, behold, you said hold. And we held NASDAQ. Guess what, guys? We held NASDAQ till the next day, that's Friday morning. And let me show you how it was looking like. This is it. So on Thursday, it was at $1,000. And this is it. Friday morning, he told me not to sell. It was at pretty much 1,000. I don't know if you can see it right here. 1,600%. Man, this guy's a wizard in trading. I was like, oh my goodness. And behold, before that Friday ended, NASDAQ, this particular NASDAQ we got in on Thursday, it reached 2,100%. And that was it. And look at this is my profit, guys. But this is where I, as you can see here, we're at 264,000 from 13,000 to 264,000. And yeah, Leo was telling me to hold, hold, hold. But at the end of the day, let me show you guys the final result. This is it. This is the final result. This is my two accounts. And guys, no lies. I started with 13,000, 8,000 with my cash account, 5,000 in my margin account, and that 5,000 even dropped to 2,000. And behold, this is it. This is the total right here, 249,000. Woo! I tell you, like, I send bills percentage. I got mine. Life is sweet. I'm taking care of all my debts and all the negative that this stupid option put me through. I'm about to leave my life. If you're down, please just reach out and do the one-on-one coaching. I'll say reach out. Don't miss out. Bye guys.